How you doing here?
Ted.
Here at the studio, having a good time. Guy usually behind this camera doesn't get any time in front of the camera. He needs a little introduction himself. That's there we go. Here we go. That's Ted Hurst. Hey, Ted.
The man behind the camera.
He is our videographer extraordinaire, and we got a few questions, man. How long you been doing video? How long you been shooting movies?
20 years.
20 years?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool.
How's my hair?
Your hair looks good, man. It's all set. I think it's all good. Oh, like a portrait. Oh, I got you in the portrait mode. This particular camera, why did you buy it?
For the treachery of others, because I was.
You voted.
There's phone. Yeah. Kicking my other camera's ass.
Oh, is that it? It's
Had to go one up.
It was camera envy, was it?
What's that?
I said it was camera envy.
It was camera envy. But it's a good thing. Because we've now propelled himself into the HD world.
Oui. Well, I'll tell you, Ted, I am quite impressed with everything you've done for the treachery of others and everything as well. And a little known fact about our buddy Ted Hurst, he's also one hell of a dancer.
Yep.
How long did you dance for?
I don't know, man. 30 years.
30 years, and then the cameras came in afterwards?
No, the bad knees came in after.
Say a little something to the treachery of others nation, Ted.
I'm here at the studio and looking forward to it, and it's going to be fun.
That's fantastic. Bear, do you have any good words to say?
I've got 2 good words. Go for it. 3 good words.
That's fantastic. Well, as you can see, the boys here are working hard on a masterpiece that we're going to have soon. And lots of money and lots of places. The next thing we have to worry about is where we're going to have the beach compound. I personally want Maui. Jamie wants Costa Rica. Somebody said Nicaragua, Dominican Republic. Walt, where do you want the beach compound to be when we make it big?
Santa Cruz, California.
Santa Cruz, that doesn't count, man. We already have that place.
It ain't tropical though.
Tropical, yeah, we need tropical.
It's fairly tropical.
Well, anyway, this is it. The exciting world of recording industry
Right now.
on a Saturday afternoon when I really should be up in Pflugerville pulling fittings for SA Quality Fence. This is John Molinari, Treachery Brothers, signing off.